APIs power everything we do online, from apps to websites and beyond. But how do we make sure they work flawlessly? In today's video, we're diving into the top API testing tools that make testing and debugging APIs a breeze. By the end of this video, you'll know which tools to use for your specific needs, whether you're a beginner or a pro. Part 1: Why API testing matters. APIs are the backbone of modern software, connecting different parts of an app or service seamlessly. But if an API breaks, things can go wrong quickly. That's why API testing is so crucial. It helps ensure reliability, performance, and security. And to do that effectively, we need the right tools. Part 2: Top API testing tools. Starting with a classic, Postman. Postman is incredibly popular for API testing due to its user-friendly interface and robust feature set. With Postman, you can make requests, automate tests, and organize your tests into collections. Plus, it's easy to collaborate with team. Developers love it for quickly testing APIs and integrating with CI/CD pipelines. It's a must-have in any tester's toolkit. Next up is SOAP UI. This tool is ideal for testing both REST and SOAP APIs, and it's known for its drag-and-drop simplicity and in-depth testing features. You can create complex test cases, perform load testing, and even add security scans with ease. SOAP UI is great if you need more advanced testing and automation options, and it also integrates well with enterprise-level tools. Catalan Studio. For those looking for a full-featured solution, Catalan Studio offers a powerful platform for API, web, and mobile testing. It's especially known for its automation capabilities and supports both REST and SOAP APIs. Catalan Studio is popular among testers who want an all-in-one solution for different types of testing. Apache JMeter is widely used for load and performance testing, and it also handles API testing very well. Although it's primarily known for performance testing, it supports HTTP, REST, and SOAP protocols, making it a versatile choice. Experts often recommend JMeter when you need to test API performance under load. Rest Assured is a Java-based library specifically for testing RESTful APIs. Unlike the other tools, it's not a standalone app. You'll need to write code to use it, but it's powerful for developers who want more control over their tests. Rest Assured is widely loved by back-end developers because it integrates seamlessly with Java projects and supports BDD syntax. Insomnia is a sleek, developer-friendly API client for REST and GraphQL APIs. It's highly praised for its simple UI and speed, making it easy to create, organize, and run requests. Plus, it has great support for authentication, making it a good choice for APIs that require complex auth setups. Insomnia is popular among developers who prefer a lightweight, fast tool for quick API testing. So which tool should you choose? Well, it depends on your specific needs. If you're looking for a general, user-friendly tool, Postman is fantastic. For more structured API testing with SOAP support, SOAP UI is your friend. If you're stress testing, JMeter is the way to go. If you want testing for API, web, mobile, use Catalan Studio. If you want coding-based API tests in Java, use Rest Assured. Ready to step up your API testing game? Grab one of these tools and start testing. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more content on testing and development, and let us know in the comments which tool you're excited to try out. And for even more API tips, check out our next video on API security best practices.